Just getting to the farm. We're gonna work on a Saturday, man. Yeah, buddy. We're gonna take this Peterbilt right here and deliver some leche. 5,200 gallons, I think. They already got me loaded up and hooked up today, so that's always a good thing. But one thing I've learned is always double check, regardless who hooks you up. You can't trust that they did everything right, as much as you'd like. I hate to get down the road and drop a trailer. Everything looks kosher. And hit our lights. Oh, come on, man. This thing fell off again. Pretty much all I got right now. I gotta loosen up these, loosen up this bracket. I can shove this bad boy back on there. Holy shit. Holy shit. Shit, man. So as you can see, I lost my socket from the other socket wrench and it dropped down in the freaking exhaust pipe, man. Are you kidding me? I got the right tools. I just need to take off these. But I don't want to attach this back on there and have that socket down in there rattling. It's somewhere in the exhaust pipe. So I need to find like a magnet, one of them long stick magnets to put down there and try to retrieve that. What a wonderful way to start the morning. Alright, so we got that part, that exhaust put back on, but I wasn't able to find that socket that fell into the exhaust, so I'm probably gonna hear some rattling. I can't imagine a socket or something being dropped in that straight pipe or that exhaust pipe is gonna be too detrimental to the engine or anything. I don't think it can get in there, but man, I hope not. That would suck. But I'm gonna have to get it later because I just don't have the I don't have like one of them long magnet sticks. I think if I had one of those, I could just put it down in there and retrieve it. But I gotta get going too. The farm needs their milk, so. can't hear the magnet yet. Oh, I don't know. Cross traffic does not stop. We don't want to be T-boned. Well, we better look twice. Truck route. At least we know we're on the right road. I just like big trucks, and I cannot lie. All you other brothers can't deny. When a big truck walks in with the big old straight pipes and a kitty engine, you get sprung. No, but seriously, I love big trucks. Don't you love big trucks? I mean, ever since I was a kid, like you see these big old Peter eaters and big old KWs, and you're just like, oh man, so salivating. Every time I go by these little Amish farms where we're gonna go today, we'll probably see them today. They're always, the kids will run out in a panic. They'll run out in a panic and be like, oh, you know, they'll be doing this, the honk the horn type deal, pull the horn. And so I always try to do that. Uh-oh, looks like somebody's having a bad day. That's a state trooper too. Probably got him speeding.
Searching for new ways I can get gone. I'm a pedal to the highway. If you ever wonder why we write these songs, 'cause I'm only one drink away from the devil. I'm only one call away from home. Yeah, I'm somewhere in the middle. I guess I'm just a little right and wrong. These macros got me. These pills pretend to be my friend. I'm done for the last time. I'm lying to myself again. I always say that I'm on my way back here somehow.
Gotta get some fuel here. Every day I pass by this little Amish farm, these kids come running out, like 5 or 10 of them. and they're like, honk your horn, trucker, honk your horn. And so every time I pass by, I'm always trying to do that for them, man, because I remember being a little kid one day and thinking about, man, those big rig semi trucks, they're so sweet. I would love to have one. And then you play with them as a kid, and so every time I pass by somebody asking me to honk the horn, I always try to do it, and that's what you're about to see right here.